Okay, today we're looking at solving inequalities by multiplying or dividing. Page 112, 7 through 33 on, and we'll do a few problems here, like number 6. 6x is less than negative 48, and this is just a one-step equation. In order to solve this, you divide both sides by 6. 6 is less than negative 8. Okay, and if you graph this, put 0 right here. Negative 8 is around here somewhere, and this will be an open circle because it's less than, and less than negative 8 will go that way. Okay, let's look at let me see, number 8. Negative 5w is less than or equal to 30. Now if you solve this, you divide both sides by negative 5, but remember, if we divide or multiply by a negative, you have to flip the inequality. So this gets flipped. This is w, and 30 divided by negative 5 is negative 6. So this problem becomes greater than negative 6, greater than or equal to, which is going to be a solid circle going to the right. Okay, let's look at number 12 real quick here too as well. A photo album page can hold 6 photographs. You have 296 photographs. How many pages do you need? How many pages do you need? So we need a total of, we need at least something to fit 296 photos, right? And we know it holds 6. One page can hold 6. Maybe we use 6 times, we use p for page. It's greater than or equal to 296. So if you divide this by 6, the number of pages you need is 296 divided by 6. 6 goes into 29 4 times, and 6 goes into 56 9 times. There's 2 left. So it's really 49 2 to 6, and we always round up when you need to on a problem like this. So you're going to need at least I would say 50 pages. Okay, because 49 you'll be a little bit short, so you need at least 50 pages. Okay, let's look at greater than or equal to. Let's look at number 13 here. This is a problem where you have to multiply both sides by a number to get rid of the 7 in the bottom. So you multiply both sides by 7 over 1. This becomes 1. You have y is greater than negative 8 times 7 is negative 56. If you graph this, always put 0 in the middle. Negative 56 is over here somewhere, and it's greater than 56. Let's look at number 14. N divided by negative 2 is greater than negative 5. And this time we have to multiply both sides by negative 2 over 1. And remember, if we multiply or divide by a negative, you have to flip the inequality. Negative 5 times negative 2 is positive 10. If you have to graph this, positive 10 is over here. Less than 10, open circle going left. All right. Let's look at a problem here with roller coaster. A roller coaster can carry 36 people per run. At least how many times does roller coaster have to run to allow? So this problem is almost the same as the other one. You have 36 people per run. So we'll use maybe R for run. Oopsie. R for run. We need to have 36 people, and we need to get to allow 10,000 people to ride. So this is going to be 36 people per run, or times R. How many runs do we need to get at least 10,000 people to run? Divided by 36 divided by 36. R is going to be equal to, now 10,000 divided by, you're going to divide that by 10,000 divided by 36. 36 goes into 100, about twice actually. Okay, they're going to borrow 1 here. This becomes 9, 2, and then this is going to be, you bring down to 0. And how many times was 30 going to 36 going to 280? Maybe let's try 7. 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 3 is 21, 25. And that just works out exactly, doesn't it? And 36 goes into 280. Once again, 277. I'm sorry, 252. It looks like it's going to be 28 over 36. So we can say we need at least 278 runs to accommodate 10,000 people. Okay, moving on. Write an inequality for each sentence, solve the inequality. So let's look at 25. 12 is less than the product of -3 and a number. Okay, so you can write 12 is less than the product, means the multiple of -3 and a number. Let's call it x. Okay, and it says solve the inequality. You divide both sides by a -3. So you have x here. You bring the, and remember, if you divide by negative, you gotta flip it. 12 divided by -3 is -4. We actually write this as x is less than -4. And last one. Let's look at 31. At most, how many hot dogs can you buy if you have $15? Okay, it turns out hot dogs cost $4.75. And at most, how many hot dogs can you buy with $15? The answer is obviously going to be 3 hot dogs.